In the screen, you are seeing the same worksheet that I have used in the last lecture. In the last lecture, I had created a report showing the region-wise product sale. In this lecture, we'll do the same thing but using Excel's pivot table feature. You'll find how pivot table feature has made life easier of reporting professionals. I click on the Insert tab, click on the pivot table command in the Tables group of commands. Create pivot table dialog box appears. I select the table in the Table or Range field. As the table is named as query 1 is showing in the field. It is okay. I want to create the report in a new worksheet. So I select New Worksheet radio button here and then click OK. A new worksheet, Sheet 1 is created. On the right side of the worksheet, Pivot Table Fields task pane appears. What I will do now, you don't have to understand. Just follow me how I make the same report using this task pane. All of these steps will be explained later in this video course. Okay, the report is done. I will check just one value. For product Pizza Humified Merchandiser, total sales occurred in the Canada region is 57673. This is the same value we have got using dsum function in our last lecture. So no doubt a many hours reporting can be done in just 10 seconds using Excel's pivot table feature. In this whole course, I will unfold the true powers of Excel pivot table feature in step-by-step procedure. I hope you will enjoy it.